So now let's take a quick look at what you can do with these files to trim them and clean them up a little bit. We're going to use the Audacity program, so you're going to need to download and install this program on your computer. And this is what Audacity looks like. It's an audio editor. You're going to see at the top it has some play buttons and different tools, and we're going to learn those as we go. For now, the main thing we want to get comfortable with is how to get files in here. So you'll see this file that I ripped with Zoom, and I changed the folder name so I'm going to be able to find it. I'm noticing where it is in my document structure on my computer, so I'll be able to get this audio file that I made. I'm going to go to the File menu, and I'm going to choose Import and Audio. And that's going to let me browse my folder structure, and I will go locate this file that I created using Zoom to capture it. So here's my audio file, and once I find it, I can bring it into the Audacity editor, and there you can see here's the audio file that I want to work with. I'll show you a quick shortcut on that, which you may or may not end up using. Is you can drag and drop usually with most files. So if you find the file in your folder, you can usually just drop it into the Audacity program and you'll have the same effect as opening it from the File menu. So now let's do just a tiny bit of cleanup. I'm going to highlight this little bit of the file, and I'm using this I-beam cursor tool, and then I'm just going to hit delete on my keyboard. And I'm going to do the same at the back end. So when I did the capturing, there was a little extra space at the beginning and the end, so I want to get rid of that. Then I'm going to go to the File menu, choose Export, Export as MP3. And this is going to allow me to save my file as an MP3 now that I've cleaned up the edges of it. So I'll give this a title, and I'm going to save it in this folder that I'm using. And then once I hit save, it's going to bring up a window that's allowing me to add some author information. I'm just going to click OK for now. And then I have now created this file. So if I look in my folder, I now have this MP3 file, which is the finished product that I need of this little bit of audio that I have ripped.